Okay, your next assignment will be application problem 11.1, page 269, and it also goes on to page 270. Basically, they give you a purchases journal at the top with 4 entries, so you will have to post them in the accounts payable ledgers below. Okay, so those will go into play. But if you look on page 331 in your book, instructions, number 1, start new pages for the following vendor accounts in the payable ledger. Record balances as October 1st of current year. So they give you 5 vendor names there, and there's 5 accounts, 5 blank accounts in your application 11.1. Just go in order there. So the first blank one would be 210 Cornucopia Incorporated. Second one would be 220 Healthy Foods, and so on. Okay, notice 3 of the 5 do have balances. So if they have an account balance, you would just write the date, which would be October 1, and then put that number. So like I'll give you an example here. Your first one would be 210 Cornucopia Incorporated. You'd write October 1st, and then in the credit balance it'd be $3,090. Okay, Healthy Foods would have a balance. Nutrition Center does not. Office Center does not. And then Sports Nutrition, the last one does, of 4512. List those in order on your ledger. Okay, if they don't have a balance, just leave it blank. Okay. When you go to 2, post the separate items recorded in the purchases, cash payment, and general journals to appropriate accounts payable ledger. Post in chronological order by date. Okay, so to me it looks like all there is a purchases journal. I'm going to check real quick here in my answer key, but you would post all of those to the ledger below under the specific company, and those are accounts payable credits, so those would go in there as credits, and then they would be added to your credit balance. Just checking here real quick. Okay, and if you also look, the next page, there's a third page there. You've got cash payments journal on page 271 in your packet papers, and then you also have some general journal there on 271. Go through and post those to your ledger. Like on the cash payments journal, they have cornucopia. Find that. Accounts payable, we're looking for that. That would go into your accounts payable ledger. Healthy Foods accounts payable amount, that would go there. Sports Nutrition accounts payable, that would go in the ledger. And Nutrition Center accounts payable debit would go into your accounts payable ledger under the debit column. And then there's a couple under general journal. You have accounts payable Office Center, and then you have accounts payable Cornucopia. Office Center is a credit, one is a accounts payable. Sorry, somebody knocked at the door. Okay, and then 3, you're going to prepare a schedule of accounts. So basically, you take all your account balances for this. This would be on page 272, 11.1 application problem continued. You write at the top let's see, the title would be here. What are we doing here? Sorry, this dog is really distracting me. You'd put the company name there, and then it would go schedule. I'll just check here. At the top, your company name, Healthy Nutrition, schedule of accounts payable, and then October 31st. So hopefully that gives you some clarification and helps. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. We can maybe even FaceTime. That might be a little easier, but not too hard this first section. I know you guys can do it, but if you do have questions, please ask. And thanks for putting up with the crummy videos, but stay healthy, wash your hands.